Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to cosplay Wally Darling from the ARG Welcome Home. Alright, so first we're gonna start off with some face paint. I have some white face paint and I'm using that as my base. So I'm just putting that all over my face and just enough to make sure that it will cover my face. Then once I have enough for my base, I also go ahead and add the yellow that we're going to be using for them. And you're actually going to want to add quite a bit of this, as you'll see me learning throughout this video. So once it's completely on, I just went ahead and blended those together all over my face. Okay, and I look extremely terrifying. I'm just adding more white and more yellow until I get to the tone that I think looks right on me. And this is all just personal preference. Just get to the color that you think looks best on you. I know that it's different for everyone's skin tone and such. So I got to a skin tone I like and I look like a Simpson. So I just went ahead and added setting powder all over my face. We just gotta make sure that this does not move around. When you wear face paint, it's really common for it to transfer around. And especially if you're going to a con, this can be a problem. You can get charged for damaging property. So make sure to completely put your face in powder just so that it doesn't go anywhere else. So now I'm moving on to my contour. I am contouring my nose with a yellow eyeshadow, and I'm using the same yellow eyeshadow for all of my contour. So as you saw, I did a line at the bottom, and now I'm doing a straight line from the brow of my eyebrow down to the tip of my nose. Then when I get it to the desired shape, I go ahead and blend that out with my powder brush. Fair warning, if you're using face paint for anything, that's gonna stain your brushes, so you should get disposable ones. I learned that the hard way, and now my very pretty Sailor Moon brushes are ruined. And I'm continuing my contour. I'm adding the same yellow eyeshadow on my cheeks, as well as my jawline. Just make sure it's very pigmented. The corners of my mouth, just to accentuate that puppet look. And on the forehead as well. Once you got that all on there, you're gonna go ahead and blend with the same brush. Once again, be prepared to ruin it. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake our nose. I'm adding more loose powder on just to the sides of my nose. Usually you would also do your cheekbones, but I simply decided against it for this cosplay. So once it's been brushed off, I go ahead and move on to my eyebrows. I'm using a flat brush, putting that blue eyeshadow all over my eyebrow, making sure to draw it flat, and then just doing the little end of the eyebrow. I am yellow, so I'm trying to get that as pigmented as possible so it can stand out. Now we're moving on to our eyes. I'm adding some yellow eyeshadow just at the bottom of my eyes to make them pop out a little more. I also go ahead and put that same yellow eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Now we're moving on to eyeliner, and I actually did not use the liquid eyeliner that I usually use. I went ahead and just used a makeup brush and some eyeshadow. I personally did not want to ruin my liquid eyeliner with this yellow paint. I'm doing a small line outwards first and connecting that to the middle of my eye. I'm making sure to get that line straight by adding some more yellow eyeshadow. Just gonna keep going until we're in the middle of the eye, as well as doing our inner corner. Now I'm adding some yellow glitter onto the bottom of my inner eye. As well as my eyelid. Then I move on to mascara, and the purpose of the mascara is just to cover up any yellow or any powder that might have gone in my eyelashes and is making it look weird. Now I go over to my normal highlighter palette, and with my finger I put some highlighter on the bridge of my nose as well as the tip. I'm putting some more in the inner corner of my eye. And I put some more face paint on my lips to cover them up. Now it's time for the wigs, contacts, and the costume. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing, and it helps me out. I'll see you next time.